Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle, and with me this morning is Marcel, my husband. See him down there? Yeah, and we have two gentlemen up there on the roof, and Miss Vera and Denise, them up a road. them now cook today. Marcel say no one, no food from them today.
It look like you're gonna have rain and we want to finish it.
Yes.
You want to finish out the
Yes.
Now the one thing. So guys, we're here and we're trying to see how best we can speed up the work, because this morning looks cloudy. It's overcast rather, and the rain is due as I speak, and we want to ensure that Mas Nevi's house, at least the roof goes on and the plyboards are up. So we're trying to be as efficient as possible today. We're praying that God, will help us to have the type of climate that will allow us to complete the job this morning. All right, Mas Nevi is not here. He had said on Friday when we were here that he wouldn't be here this morning when we come, because he has gone down to the road to do business. Don't ask me what kind of business. He's gone to meet a man, he says, to come back. So I guess when he comes. But in the meantime, we are here and we are doing what we can. And I just want to use the opportunity as usual to say thank you to all our donors. Thanks to everyone who continues to support the work that we do. God bless you richly, and we want to wish you a blessed holiday. All right, so stay with us.
They're not going to They must stay with it.
Yes, absolutely. Oopsie. And O'Shane was here earlier. Well, his name is Roshane. I just get to find that out because I've been calling him O'Shane all this time. So his correct name is Roshane. So he went by the road to get something, a piece of tool, and to get some things at the shop, because Miss Vera and Denise, they're not cook today. I guess Marcel fired them. They fired from the position.
Miss Vera and Denise, no fi cook.
What Miss Vera say? What Miss Vera said, Denise?
Fret say now.
Fret them on guitar.
You hear what I say?
Oh, Marcel, I worry, so you're not cook. At least someone not get to tell you today, so they don't want none.
When I tell you not today, so I don't want to no cook.
You don't have nothing to get none.
You can make pot, you cook no one food.
With the pot now?
You want to look in the pot?
She'd have to take out fear before you're done.
Man, you say get rich when we are come here. Why? We not come today. Why?
Oh.
Make a man get rich.
Boy. Oh my God. Saturday we drove up. Hear him. Dennis, we drove up Saturday. So, me say, where's Auntie? He say, Auntie inside. So, him a going real serious, then him come out smelling. I never realized that one, So when we leave here, me can't come with you, So me say, no, we're going by Miss Vera, come back. He said, oh.
Yeah?
This is making no sense.
Me dear?
You think I don't want to drop it?
Come on, Uncle Nevi with.
It looks that way, not true?
How far, man? I put on the zinc before I fall.
Yeah.
Man, if you draw with me bed.
Are you where I come next? Don't worry yourself.
You want to draw in a bed much longer. How was the cake sale?
You know, nobody know about no cake.
Uh-oh.
I still live it. No.
You know,
Maybe I have to try something else.
cake sale. Report now I'm fine.
Oh,
You said me did spare a day.
yeah.
Did I work out?
Because you could have get around.
Jump in my car and get around.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, me reach down and it's done.
Yeah.
Yeah, ready, me can.
Can't do nothing again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of them are same length to cut off, eh? All of them are same length to cut off. All of them to be same length. Yeah. One piece of board put in the middle. What starter? No, one piece of board.
The rain is dropping. Miss Verna feel it because she under a tree.
And it's so
Can't think to go already.
But after run, go to Miss Ivy. Around a brown man.
Right now, Nevi wants to go shut up.
Everything, no, unlock, let me see what I do.
What is that?
Hold on, hold on.
Don't let me do it this way.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, look.
Signal.
You can read one. Put a piece over there.
Come yesterday.
But that them and
Much more of this you want? You want one this one? Two you want?
one, stand up.
Three.
Give me two more for you.
Four more pieces.
Take up this foot over the thing.
that make nice.
I have four.
Oh,
Oh, what you know?
let me pens.
Cut one more than a two.
Yeah, man, you want.
Yeah.
One,
More than a two. Kaya one piece doon yan si pizza.
Yeah. Alright.
Cut one more Hawaiian na two.
Yeah,
Two before. Alright, fligs it ang ulit yun.
it's a party.
We have used this as a template.
Yes, so you don't put one more. Kaya pieces on pieces, on the piece they can make it so
That's 2 feet front.
yeah.
Much you have put there already? You don't have them there.
No,
That 3 piece you want. 3 piece you want, you know. You want one extra and 2.
See, you have it already. You want two more pieces.
I'm saying you want 2 this one.
There's already, so there's two more pieces on.
You want 2 this and 1 there, so. Here?
So much that? Not 3?
But 1 put already.
Oh.
Up and down.
You're not called for get the cap in.
Lord Jesus. Never remember.
And it window.
And the window and the door. It's very high this
Miss won't hide.
If you mean hide. Go on.
she figure hide.
One meter.
So guys,
Somebody laughing at me a while ago.
which part to hear that now?
You're laughing at one.
Why? I will say hear ya.
Anytime me laugh, I use my laugh. Never dare use this somebody else.
Alright, Miss Vera. Don't show off for me.
Ah,
That's your laugh.
Of course.
You do what you want to do with it.
Exactly.
The other day? Oh, well, it depends. I buy a lot of stuff now.
You come back quick, man. No, me mean, when you go shop, come back so quick, now good. So wow.
Yeah. He young. He will just fly down and fly up.
That drunk to do that.
Go Marcel.
Drunk to fly down and fly up.
Me tell some people when come and me and go and hear the last election. Come down, Miss Bear. Me say Uncle John Crow come down. Brown. Stop it in there. Stop on me. Stop.
Battery dead.
And the battery dead fast. See, Oshin.
And you start calling Ocean, you know, stop.
Right, may I say?
Just as cheap, you call him Ocean.
It's stick.
I'm ashamed.
Because me just said to him, say, imagine me I call you Oshin and you answer.
That's what it's clear.
Dog, you call it.
Well, me now call him so.
My prince, oh, I love it. My present.
Huh? When is it, Shaz? Oh.
You broke the t-shirt and get, you know. Not ready.
What?
Hey! I've heard you people one time.
Marcel, hey, look here. That hammer just missed Marcel head, you know?
You look like you don't see one more going up there, laugh. But I'm shaking on the building, you don't know.
I will laugh.
But I just disrespect you. No.
Disrespect.
I'm not tough crackers, that.
I never remember what they have done there. How are you? You say,
You never remember.
No? Tough. No? Tough one. Yeah, you have to go carry it back.
Half biscuit.
Yeah, Shane, you have to go back with it.
yeah, that they want to
What down there? I reckon you will like to beat you.
Yeah, so nice.
Alright,
Yeah,
that's
bye.
what you buy it for.
Buy where you eat.
Me eat cream crackers, but the prefer Madam.
Thank you, Shane. And you almost make hammer licking on your head, you know, Marcel. Lord have mercy.
This today, I am.
You don't fight me.
We really don't know how now go on, how we must know. Lord. The workplace hazard. We rebuke that right now in Jesus' name.
Boy, it a go on.
Me tell you.
Me just die.
If you never go already, you know, all of this, when you go to work, you have to go somewhere.
Yeah.
Tell me measurement you want to
That one, man.
I said a few more. Yeah, don't put that.
Good
Yeah.
You made that pussy.
Make so much work done. Oh gosh.
Aye.
Ooh, watch it again.
Oh.
The rain I do don't know. Yeah. If it do like this, it's alright. Once not come down.
Not.
Christmas not.
Another falling rain.
I know, right?
Not.
We're just asking him for some mercy upon us this morning. Well, maybe some people need the rain. Watch out, that one gone over so.
My tongue went under.
May I try the hardware again? Just slow down. Eh?
Me I go do this, me I go do that. Marlon, he might come in like I'm
Aquarium.
You don't know for them to come in like world.
You want Marcel? Oh. Rain coming down. Rain and dew.
Anyone put on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't give him that one there.
Yeah, me I go use it.
Oh,
Bring it please.
you can't leave the glove, I mean.
Yeah, me I go use the gloves.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I gloves in, man.
No,
No, on the bag.
use the gloves.
Bag and then want the gloves.
Sharp, you know?
Yeah.
Come now, MG. Right now, Lisa.
Dash it.
I just nail was in there.
Thanks.
Pencil. Oh.
This is me have my pencil who I show off and I chat.
Ah.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, no, sir.
Mash up my tape.
This man.
Tape a drop a ground.
Put that Japan in my yard.
Don't drop nothing more from up there, please. And nobody no drop off.
Total in a big brand, the best brand in Thailand. Keep it, you know.
Yeah, man. You mash up the yard. Give her.
So you can't see how you mash up, you know.
Don't draw it in the knees, because you know if you see how you mash up it.
Not true.
Yeah.
Dear sir, we can put it right here.
Down. And I
Around bag you get.
she can't get me nine.
Smaller one you want.
Grandma.
Man, me the one. Thank you,
Poor little baby say grandma rude.
That one they can't grow me. That one they can't grow me.
Run your head.
iPhone them rude.
That can't.
No, man, the bag is short. Bust me, I bust the bag then.
Yeah, do whatever.
You want one different bag?
No, that good.
You have two, make him two and I use it. Put one in there.
That pass dead easy though.
You have two, tell him to empty one and I use it.
Me dear.
So guys, the sun came out, you know, not hot, but you know, nice weather. So we can get finish the house.
If you wipe off his zinc them.
Where is it?
No, face rock. The man, let's see. Very out of order.
Should we give him, man? It's very good like that. Same thing.
Don't save none of the money come out tonight.
You can't hold like that. You don't have money.
Oh yeah.
Money to put it there. We don't wrong you.
So which way you gonna push up the zinc from? Which way this?
So they hide for their money.
Yeah.
Here, they England phone.
Which way this zinc can push up from? This way? Somewhat? Oh. Yeah. You want it to look good when you're up there.
If rain no fall, you go, they go wash off it.
I just the top one then where the sawdust step on. Marcel, you have to make sure so when you push up his zinc, them you're moving in case MJ hand slip.
Yeah, can I see when do the hammer a while ago?
No problem.
My foot a jump, okay? Hey, see my foot
Run to it.
jump, okay?
Your foot a jump? Maybe a nerve. Are your foot nervous?
The next one.
Your one?
Him have it. That one?
Russian. Yeah. The hammer.
What?
Yeah.
It a squeeze your neck.
First time they not put a little piece of wood on the something and then they nearly.
He said they stop using this in there.
Oh.
Phillips.
So what they use now?
Tip off, they use.
This time I have it off.
Today, man, you can't work on ship, you know?
No man, we don't have no rum.
No what?
We don't have no rum. You can't see under this one, the next spirit of it under this one.
Okay, spirit under there.
If you have rum at that time, you're not going to nail it properly.
No man. Can't give one different styles, you know, that means that we don't miss. You see it?
Cheese and shake.
Flush cheese. Flush straight and cheese in like. About that. Ask Nevi about flush straight and cheese because he want to go play. When he want to play Likkle. Ask Nevi can buy Likkle today Monday. You need to get dream last night. Two of them are drop now.
Must never gonna meet somebody.
Ask Nevi original. Wait till he come back up here. Interrogate Mr. Nevi when he comes.
Who's verse?
I know what kind of mission he gone from.
So one business with this man.
Hey, what business with me we are doing? Investigate when you go about.
If the man making about in business.
Then he had that thing though.
Come here then.
No go no. Don't quit speaking when people call out. Breathe off first and think about it.
Come here.
Oi.
I broke your dead ground. Zinc, you may hear this. Next side.
See you sir. Oh, you start. Oh, you happy?
I know so we have it.
Take copy. See him sir.
Oh, that look like you wash it somewhere, sir.
Right, perfect.
Then wet up.
You can't change it for how much after entry?
Drop it more, man. That not straight. Drop it. No, man, no. You see down there now. You can't drop back one, you know?
No, yes,
Yeah, on the side there.
Yeah. I don't know how to check.
Don't make that trick you. When I put up zinc, put the card out I tail, you know. Out I tail, me put the card when I zinc, you know.
two before shot, I did a nail in here.
But that nail piece a lot and put in the card for it.
Understand what you say now, but you don't know what I'm going.
You don't know, so tell me.
You know what I'm going now?
Tell me, let me know.
You don't want to have keeper the capping up at
Right.
so I prefer capping well lock and yeah, so leak.
No leaking.
I understand, but when I think them accurate, them are go work.
You have a right to do a record.
Me know better. Me know better. Me just ask a question. Cause it look like you would need to if you go this so. Whoever don't say the leak if you go this so.
No, so the water run. You put nail hole in it.
Good thing I know me up there nail it.
No, you don't do it.
Hey, look.
Alright guys, so far one side is completed and we're gonna move to the next side to put up the zinc. The rain has held up and that is good. We're thanking God for that. So just showing you what it looks like so far. For the next side we're gonna Hey, Denise, mind your finger, you know.
Just left the zinc, make it drop your miss.
You know, brother. Try show your skills today. But I try show your zinc skills today. How much up on the side, Marcel?
Okay, about 12.
How about 8? They look about 8 to me.
How much you put up there?
Are you tell me?
That you fit tell we.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
9
7, 8, 9, 10.
So make it 8.
Me check that in. Cause
Benny's. 10 up there. Benny's.
may I come?
Yeah?
Much are left?
More zinc?
Yes.
What I say?
And we can't start.
Oh no, we have enough.
Start my fire, son.
So Likkle water go in your room, Nevi.
Remember saying? Yeah, talk like he in there hear you. Once we gone sport.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, but we have enough, man.
Yeah, we have enough.
You buy too much, man. You have some of them.
You wouldn't have too much. All you don't have maybe a 2 extra. How much this? 10.
This is.
And we have 22. So no 2 figure up on it. No.
Oh, so we can get 2.
The only person here so we have roof a leak at Denny's.
Yes.
So you get one star.
Exactly.
Yes.
Right now, to me bed wet.
Since when?
But you not tell nobody me cry.
Oh.
And if you are pissy bed in a must wet.
I didn't know.
Boy, bed are wet. You have to wet it.
Right now, my bed wet.
No. The only time your bed wet is when
I'm
you're
a
there.
roof man. You see how you can have a good shoot.
Your roof man.
The only time your bed wet is when you're there warm.
You're my roof man and he better wait.
Not pee-pee bed.
So never have a good shoes.
Oh, they don't say how expensive. And then they never do.
Never have a good shoes.
You can't get too much less, you know.
Alright, so this one here then.
When me need gutter for my Nevi drum runner back.
So we'll get pipe. Pipe this on the right round. We'll get the tank.
Yeah. That's the whole idea.
Tank stand here. That belong a tank stand out of wood.
A little bit out.
The pop down kill Mars Nevi.
Some posts around there already.
Oh, then chunk him. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Nicey.
Rain.
Look it out,
I walk out.
What rain comes? Here comes the rain. Oh no. Oh no. Whoa. Rain.
Where the bag where you have side of you?
This saw up there, Tina.
Oh, this start me go first.
Just came back.
Myself, zip this, please.
That's
Oh,
like a
Lord.
bad mind, son.
Rain coming down, guys.
Chris, Lisa.
Yeah, put it on it.
Nice, Nevi.
Well, just stick up his zinc them up there. He said today honeymoon, you know?
You might not come back. Number 5.
Just do down and stop.
Any?
I wonder if Miss remember the capping for here now.
You never knocking the Friday evening? Friday evening knocking that.
Ready for go on?
Yeah. Ben. But this part I call that manual.
I hold the hand in tank I come. Hold him tail if you know hold him hand. Stand here.
Nevi.
It's a Nevi. It's a rain over the side, you see? Right, look. Yeah.
If you don't hold in hand, hold in tail.
You figure hold it here. They say a little face and feel like most.
We are dealing with MJ. Our lemon.
That's a orange tree.
So orange tree.
Yeah.
Oh. See what they look like a one lime tree though. That one over there, so if fire go make biscuit. Lime tree.
Hello, prostrate.
Let's say good thing pass straight. Oh
Them there ready. I call it a gas stone with it. Say bong man. Something orange, I good feet in it. What you call it?
Civil orange?
No man, bugger line.
Oh, burger lime.
Piece salty.
I tell you.
I don't bong yet, but me know somebody bong. You know, we have to bong, you know, me drink.
You have to put this on.
Yeah, that's not a...
we should see how much inside of your
Rain, come again.
What are you?
Boy.
Take your time, Papa. Good.
That's how the movie steel.
Flow to steel.
Still, how is still gonna come out?
Can't drop one.
Oh, draw back.
Come brother, Zelly.
And I come to you, my youth. Try and end to you. Bottom, I come to you.
Bottom?
Yeah. Huh? How much you lap with this, sir? You want to come a little bit and see it? You find that one there.
You can't come in. You understand? So I think probably not. Yeah, that one is going to have to come through. That one is just a little bit. The next one. See it there?
First.
I think that all I should be now.
Ghanaian.
The end of everything. What that do?
Cheating.
Miss.
No, we're
Don't really miss.
right through.
Where?
Another one there.
The nail, you think nail man?
A boss, man.
That's how she going easy. He go to sleep. I want to bump that, you know. Yeah, myself if phone ring the same way.
I'll put myself in off the phone. tray get cut up, you smell it?
Come more. Huh? In the evening, you want come too.
Up here I get chili, you know.
Chili pepper. Up here I get chili pepper.
Come over, little bit too much.
Use the limb push up here.
Ah.
Can't take no more rest off.
I forgot to go on the next side now.
Just like.
Push it back on him.
Nice, we have the cap in now. Hello? Checking if the delivery leave already. Hello? Oh, okay. Oh, try to get the shop. May I try and not get through? It's okay, I'll try again. I'll try again. I was trying a while ago, but it wasn't going through. Oh. Okay, alright. Rain a fall. Well, if I want to come off from my Nevi roof, you know.
Don't get clean water.
Yeah, we tough. Him say I'm not there. Him leave out. But me not get them.
A dog here for here, imitate him.
Tell that girl where I said, you
Chill on by them with the pocket run.
Watch them video.
Watch Nevi said look at the pleat there.
Nevi say,
When I get it.
I think like
Then I plan to come down. As I say, never want them come down, and they said they never plan to come down.
I'll go pick up in.
they want competition.
Yeah. Yeah. But the competition not good. Chash mash, you look clear. Chash mash, they say look clear. No fear,
The one you're having a little bit and this one not having not much tonight. You want to wash out the one. Don't you wash it out.
You can't creep, go outside now. Creep. I pull out one sheet of zinc and jump on my Nevi bed. Jump dog.
You know what the white
You know what the white sheet don't up?
Me hear one vehicle I pray that.
That is. Come on, no tree, but don't have.
Oh, you need back the nail?
Omar.
I deliver this.
boy, Papa.
Oh no.
Hi, Papa.
Papa!
Oh boy.
How am I doing?
I am not make me roast, Papa. So I am make me roast. So I am for roast.
Yeah, man, later.
No, me want to hear something roast.
Yeah, roast in here.
Say you want piece in the man. Sure.
They go on.
Mr. Man. Pass it.
So go on for it.
You want the nail?
Fucking gun.
That's you know what? She want to give me. She want jam. Catch it.
Troy, give me.
You can't work on ship. You got to work on ship. Jump off a ship, you jump in the water.
Here, yeah.
Jump off a road stop, you see what don't get yourself on the feet.
Oh, nah, mash up there.
Phones are not working good. Can't get the hardware.
Sorry for the cap in there.
No comment. Can I ride the bike go far?
Right. The buyers can go feed to the cappy.
Oh, you can't manage any riding home when it's ready.
No, man, I want to break the point. And the fan is so good.
Where's that?
Put your foot on the wheel.
What we go get you?
Yeah, pray.
Cause but I love for them put up that before we leave.
Alright. But when we got them, I put up the plyboard them.
No, only copy fly them.
I mean, did one day when I lick up the ply them, that lick up ply them no sound.
Nail today.
No, me I say enough to go to the.
Yeah, man. You did it, man.
Alright. Yeah?
When they do one day when I lick up them the ply they kind of sound right. So I'm gonna lick up the ply.
But go and put on the ply, man. Anytime then we come with it. They might come before we left. So we just put on all our
Put on the ply, man. So,
Wait, watch it. So who said? Oh, who said?
but that's all I trouble we are left in now.
After we not out trouble. Peter said that we have an overhead.
Yeah, no. That's why we had trouble.
Where there?
So what? Perfectly right.
The answer.
Yo, man, I buy one tall mirror put in my house, you know. You want to me just have to see half of me.
So I let you bend down.
No, me have to.
Which part are you here, see?
No, me have to want to see whole of me.
So which part you see when you
This is why girl them hotter. If I up here, so I don't have to.
Anyway you see, they after. Anyway you see, and then so they after. So which part you see?
From my belly, I so come out.
I got them alone.
Oh boy.
Anyway you see, I keep them see.
So when we pull along this now,
Right now. What up?
they makeshift one. Must never dwelling.
One more night.
Disrespect right now.
Oh, space around here.
Yes, man.
Oh, yeah, fire.
Your fat fingers stay free.
She say fire burn off her finger.
Fire burning off.
I wish you do up there. You can't help yourself, not true. You have to in the fire heat. What do you am there? A roast in yam this?
They say roast.
Well, only when you roast you will know if it.
Well, it's roast today. I am, you know, I hear me make a roast.
Oh boy.
Go look good at the roast, yeah.
This roast.
Trash I go burn out quick, Denny's.
Yeah, but
Wow, the sun come out pretty though.
Smile.
Mm-hmm.
We think
You see it?
You know,
see
Oh, Jesus.
Put it up.
only feel cheesy, you know, It feel like it's the greatest one. You see,
No, but
one up on top there, one down at the bottom there. Oh,
Ente. Kece ni ada.
Mesa.
Oh, alo na kamera tak de mana.
all the money want to cut out of these and fight out of everybody.
You can go to the
a huaka tree.
GPS.
Eh. Come on.
Yeah, the market that one there, so you have to take up your mango. Yo.
right there. Arrow.
Take up your mango.
Not take up me arm. The road. I can reach on and some yeah, most road.
Yeah. Man, me have, you know.
I never know so they that come around here so quick.
Oh, God, I know.
Oh, Lord. Yep.
Yes, sir. This is my roasted yam.
Ah.
Alright. Pull on here.
We are pull down that now. No, sir. Yeah, pull down my Nevi house.
Yeah.
Church.
Should I make you put the solar panel up on top before we do everything?
Oh, you can't take down the thing.
If you pull it from inside.
No, you can't take off the brace.
You want to build in that back there?
God.
We're not done yet.
So you just knock two.
Oh, let me say if you never see, you don't know if you do.
Watch out now, when you look the building, the building drop out, you understand?
No, man.
Lord Jesus. Dennis, put on your hammer.
Can't pull down.
Ayo yam, you pick on help out of
Yeah, pull it. You pull it, Marcel.
Hey, little dog. Here, cut. One little cup touch you did. Come from here.
Push up it up. Go that down. Up it up, up it up, up it up. Put it up. Alright. Hey, you can drop them. Let's do this. Hold on. Oh, there. Get near. Get near. Make sure you do big in there.
Marcel, me have the panel in my hand here.
You can't put it.
You can't come out.
Dry, man. Dry wire. Dry. Just take it.
Oh.
Then
I'm gonna kill it.
Yeah. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119,
Want to cut the mango this one too?
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Oh.
No, when they turn about the current, it'll be a fire.
Oh, the wire gone through the tree. All your yam are going to cover up, so you better make yours roast that yam.
The wire gone through a tree?
Yeah, man, see the wire here.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
We have to clear from where the one them are.
My God!
At first, I see them line there clear enough. First, I see them line there clear. You want one rope? I get the chainsaw.
Don't give me that.
Are you a rope? So guys, JP is clearing their wires so that they can clear the wires to put up back the electricity. Mass Nevi tree gone.
Clean up, yeah.
Nevi come back. Just reach back, but team walkway block. GPS workers are clearing the power lines to restore the electricity. So that's why Denise guide him down the walkway. And the board. Mas Nevi, you finally reach back.
Yes. You see it? Can't get them.
Oh, turn to your right.
Turn.
Turn to your right, yeah. Yep.
So you sit there now.
At the jug him always sit on.
Okay, so see your jug. Alright. Oh, nice. Solar you have the man. Your bread.
Alright. Mas Nevi, your mango tree gone.
Yes, man. You know, so I
JPS come.
Then I do not more.
Them cut it down. Them now go clear the entire thing. I guess them just cut a piece so that they can't draw away.
You never have to tell them then, guys.
I don't think them are gonna do nothing extra.
No problem. If you need to say to you guys,
So Mas Nevi, your roof gone, and them in the process of putting up the plyboard now. Yes, it's only the capping needs to go onto the roof now, so we're waiting on the delivery, the hardware to send it. Alright, so we're running back here, so say hi to everyone. Yes, man. Yeah, the big man in town, cause you're not there and we're there at work.
and the brother, but he can't get them, so if you put them, the phone number, you might tell him the phone number. You can't call him.
Okay, oh, through her. Okay, okay. All right. Here, yeah. But I'm not sniffing. Hi, morning. Hi, I'm checking on the delivery. Mrs. Kemp. Mrs. Kemp, I'm checking on the delivery. It leave yet? Hold on, 1 second. I not hear you good. Please repeat. Okay. Then I carry on? Mas Nevi.
I bring my one.
Mas Nevi, you have one machine, right? Huh? Let me a machine.
Take time up to yours, you know. I pop it up.
Jesus.
Judgment!
When you say you want to move out of the way, politics?
Yeah, I hang on for every time we go in.
Then if you never have to hold on for no another. Well, I hold on for that, it's never did it.
They left work, give you more work.
What are you cut up? Somebody may want to cut up.
Then just cut the ones on top.
Yeah, the one underneath.
Then tired, not true.
Yeah, take it down.
Nah, take it down.
I know if you make it no move, it'll come with it. If you not take it down, I'll look which part it is.
I'm a laugh. I'm a do cough.
I love you, choke.
See me take them up, that's up for them.
Master, he said he's going to go get in touch with him brother.
No man, no I'm okay, no?
It's a burn you.
fire it up.
Yam finally roast.
Never get out of everybody. I get free. My brother man can tell one man,
Hey,
you get up and come out.
okay. Good. Well, the man never come to do a
Remember your chick.
Thanks. Whoa, here comes the rain.
Rain.
Rain coming down again. Catch him.
If we did next summer.
I broke him. Have no knife.
No, I break it. No knife.
Look pretty though.
I go have to know.
Wonder why.
You saying Gum did I give him trouble last time? Yeah, Miss Ver. Miss Ver. Miss Ver. Mas Nevi saying Gum did I hurt him last time because of the cream crackers. Mas Nevi don't want no roast yam.
Nevi say no, ma.
No, man.
Here, yeah.
Huh? Your heart to rejoice? Sure. Oh God, our God do for you, and we do it. Tell us if I do we alone, you know, get nothing today. I'm going to tell you if you tap and pray. Tap pray because you make we can't rest. We have to come up here every day. You see that?
What you know?
We are going to find one way to tap your phone and pray so we can get to rest. Pull it. Master, we say pray hard to God.
That me I tell you.
You tell him already, you know? Then you tap it.
Here, when you do that, tell him on camera with your own.
Yeah.
You done cut it already?
May I go?
We are go. Make we stop come up here.
You say we tired. Tap and pray.
I bet you we are going to tap your phone and pray.
Yes, you Miss Vera says she are going to tap your phone and pray. I bet we are going to tap your phone and
And
pray.
you tell him so.
I repeat what you did say.
Yeah, repeat
No,
what
me
you
just hear
say.
that for you.
Okay, steady, man.
You cut one slot to hook it up there.
Kneel me and kneel it down.
Uh-oh, that's not working out.
You not work out? What's that if you not get?
Ah.
You want to make you ask again?
I don't know, you me want none from.
No, give nothing. So I told you say last time you not get it.
Ah.
I'm not here.
So, oh yeah.
Want to kneel now?
You still have my name print on my shirt.
Not true, Miss Ver.
Where you put your name on your shirt, but I am a celebrity.
Alright, yeah, go soon see.
That's you know what?
I'm a celebrity.
Yeah, tell me I biggest one you try. I don't know where you get that from.
You know I get it from now. You know.
I am the biggest celebrity.
You nail it now? But I wonder how you gonna nail it.
Yeah.
But I wonder how you gonna nail it, because you know, look like you're in no position to nail nothing.
You're still at it, you know.
Miss Bear.
Tell Melissa to take it down now.
That's Nevi, man go tree gone.
Me and Melissa now rank.
If you take down what, the panel, she gone, so we can't tell her nothing.
I'm you know her strength for.
It's for a long time.
Ma order you.
Yeah, Darren.
Okay guys, so this is what Mas Nevi's place look like so far. I might as well stand up there so like a picture. Yes, so I had picture. So let me just walk so that you can see what we have accomplished so far. We have been recording from morning, bits and pieces and so forth, and so the camera battery has died, so right now I'm using the phone just to give you a walkthrough, so you can see. So the only thing we never had today was a capping. We did order it, but the truck don't come yet, and the door, and what else, and the window. But we really wanted to put on the capping on the roof so that we can take out the makeshift part that we did for Mas Nevi. So if it rains, you know, he wouldn't get wet. But we just wanted to ensure that for the holidays he would be okay and not get any wet and so on. So this is what it looks like so far. So just in case we don't get to record after this, this is it. Whew. So just want to bless up everyone. Thanks to all our donors. Bless up to our team on the ground. God bless you all richly.
Bless up, bless up.
Yes, so we're just saying our goodbyes and our thank yous just in case our battery died.
How much that there?
I think it was at 19%.
Yeah.
But the camera battery died not too long ago. Give us a couple hours as well, and then died. Should have taken a spare battery, but did not remember. But this
So
is
we come
it.
for work, you know?
Yeah, we come. Marcia said we come for work. Nothing else. Alright. So, Mas Nevi, say thanks to everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks to everyone. Everybody. Happy Christmas.
Yes, yes.
As was New Year.
Yes, man. Alright, guys. So, until next time, this is where we end for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye. I miss Veranda tree, cool out. And Denny's gone somewhere. Yeah. She gone somewhere over the neighbor where we got the water to look for the lady. That's where Denise is, and then O'Shane is on the road trying to get the cap in for us. So that is it for today. Blessed love, everyone. Wishing for you happy holidays. Trust that all your dreams and your wishes will come true, and see you sometime after this. And happy new year when it comes, if you don't see us again until the new year. All right, blessed love, stay safe. Bye bye.
Look at red ants, them bite hot.
They might fall off a tree.
And this about smell up back, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Mas Nevi, cool shade it gone.
I'm not supposed to have lunch in a bag.
What's that? Ah,
How many bag?
it's a black bag. Oh, you see it?
God, I know.
Rain coming down now. It look like it really will come this time. Why?
Bread and chicken, them boy I have before. And you know, see, look like it at them.
I didn't tell you. Yes, Mas Nevi.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to put something for your banana? Cheer. If me come, we have one dump pan.
If you come, when you come.
Oh, when me come. Right. Me I just don't
Yeah.